Hello friends, welcome to Gupta Education World. If you have received the arrears in current year, then this is the video which can save the tax for you. Even if your tax slab is same in all the years, you can save the tax. So for seeing the magic, keep watching this video till the last. Even if you have not received the arrears, you can calculate your tax liability by using the calculator. I have made this calculator for you by giving hard efforts. So if you subscribe my channel, I will be highly motivated to make more calculators for you like this. So let's move on the calculator. This is the calculator for you to calculate your tax liability. So here you have to give just your name, here your PAN number, here date of birth, and here you have to select whether you are male or female, as the tax liability is depends upon the gender. And in this, if you have chosen the new tax regime in financial year 2021, then click yes, or if you have not chosen the new tax regime, then select no. And here you have to select the assessment year for which you want to calculate the tax liability. So here we have selected 2021-22 for the period ending March 31st, 2021. Here you have to give your taxable income including the area received in financial year 2021. But here you don't have to give the taxable income which is taxed as at the special rates. For example, short-term capital gain or long-term capital gain that you have to exclude. And in this table, you have to give the taxable income for financial year 1920, 18-19, 17-18, and 16-17. Here again, you have to exclude the income which is taxed at the special rates like capital gains. And here you have to give the amount of breakup of area received for each financial year. For example, for you have received 55,000 for 1920, 30,000 for 18-19, 20,000 for 17-18, and 10,000 for 16-17. And total area you have received 1,15,000, which is including in this figure. Now we will see the tax liability. So this table shows you the tax liability for each financial year. So this is the income including the areas received. So this column shows you the tax liability without the area received, and this is the tax liability with the area received. So this amount is the tax liability for the area received for you in the current year. So you can see this is 19,740. Now we have to calculate the tax relief under section 89(1). So this table will show you the tax relief under section 89(1). This is the total income excluding the salary received in arrears, and this is the amount of area received. So this is the total income for the current financial year 2021, and this is the amount of tax on this amount which is inclusive of area received, and this is the tax liability on the amount excluding the area received. So this is the difference of the tax liability for the current year, and this amount is the tax liability for the previous years which we have calculated here. So the difference of these two amounts you can claim as the relief under section 89(1). So even if your tax slab is same for all these years, you will get the some amount of relief. So even if your tax slab is same for all the financial years, even if you can claim this relief under section 89(1). Whether that is a small amount or big amount, that is a different case. So you can see, suppose I am using my salary as not 9 lakh, it is 10 lakh 20,000, and here it is 9 lakh, it is 8 lakhs, and it is 6 lakhs. So in this case also, you can claim the relief under section 891 amounting 2,244. So if you require this calculator, please follow the following steps. Step 1. Please subscribe the channel, that is free. Of course, this step is optional. However, if you subscribe the channel, I will get motivation to prepare more useful calculators and videos for you. Step 2. Mention your email ID in the comment box below this video, or join our Facebook group, that is Bankers Group. The link of the same is this one, and write calculator. I will email the calculator to your email ID and send the same on the aforesaid Facebook group. If you like this video, please press like button and share this video to your friends and colleagues. Consider subscribing my channel and click on bell button to get notifications of latest videos uploaded on time. Thank you friends for giving your valuable time in watching this video.